What's up? I'm going to break down the Home Business Academy compensation plan. I'm going to explain it all to you right here in this video, and I'm going to break some numbers down in the calculator located on the site itself. If you want to grab the calculator, you can do so by clicking on the link at the top of the description, and you'll be able to grab that calculator and play with the numbers for yourself to see what it is that you need to produce in order to get the income that you desire. If you don't know me, I'm the real Robin Williams. Welcome to this video. I also advise you to opt in at the link at the top of the description by putting your name and email in this page. This will give you a free video on how to profit from a nearly done for you business so that you can quickly focus on building cash for your family and do it in as little as 2 hours per day. Let's jump on over to the website. Again, after this, you can click on the link at the top of the description to put in your own numbers, because I don't know what those numbers are. But once you get to the website, you can click here, compensation, and then it'll go over some things as far as how we pay, our reasoning behind things, such as you must own the products in order to get the commission for products that you resell. Here we have a very plain and simple compensation table. It literally tells you how much you will have to make at different levels for the different products. So across here, you have the different products that we have aside from the Financial Literacy Academy, but these are the residual compensation plans. And then you also have the number of customers right here on the left-hand side. It's 80% commissions on everything, and everything is one level, meaning there are no pass ups, no piecemealing the compensation and things like that. When it comes to earning a residual, your results are solely dependent on what you produce. And you can see up here we have Let's Go for $10, Funnel Builder for $25, Premium for $125. If you're not familiar with the products, definitely opt into the link at the top of the description. That gives you more details on our company, and again, it also gives you insight on what I'm doing to get results in my business. Right here, to get in profit, you have 2 customers you will have to get. You will earn $16 with just 2 people for Let's Go, and that will put you into profit. With just 2 people for the Funnel Builder product, that's $40 and you're in profit. And just 2 people with the Premium, that's $200 and you're in profit. For the members who have all 3 of the subscriptions and sell all 3 to a customer, that is $256 and then you're in profit. And you can look on the far end for 100 customers for the Let's Go app, that's $800 per month. And obviously you're still in profit. The Funnel Builder is $2,000 per month at 100 people, and for Premium is $10,000 per month. Again, these are the subscription based products. If you're bringing in those type of numbers, you will have some that go all in, but that will be a one-time purchase for each person who buys the products, but it could also help elevate how much you get paid for that month that you're bringing in multiple people who are also buying the Financial Literacy Academy. And if you haven't seen the FTC disclaimer right here, just be aware that it's here. It says average affiliates can expect to earn $328 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net. To earn much higher income amounts, work, skill, and commitment is required. This business has paid over $5 million in affiliate commissions so far. Let's go ahead and take a look at the income residual calculator. If you open this up, it says HBA income goal calculator. Enter your monthly income goal. This is where you will put how much you make. You see a lot of people put in $3,000. Let's just go ahead and put in $6,000. I don't think that was actually on the image that was just displayed. I think we had a close number, but ultimately you would want to put in your specific numbers, and then you want to select the time frame. Let's just go ahead and put a year, and then we can put calculate. And what I like about this calculator is that it chunks down the real number, so you can adjust it. Maybe it might take you 5 years. Maybe you think you can reach it in 6 months. I don't know. Everybody's different and they have their different marketing strategies. If you use the ones inside of HBA, they are surely able to get you results, but I would tell you, you need to use them on a consistent basis and not lollygag with them. I'm just going to change it back to a year. I'm just going to keep it on a year. It actually didn't change the numbers. Let me just change it in case you want to see the 5 years, how many monthly signups you would need to get, and then the 6 months would definitely be, pretty much double the numbers. But let's go ahead and keep it on a year. You will see for the Funnel Builder, you'll get $20 per customer. It's saying the total customers you need every month is 300. And the daily signups are just under 1. You can just round it up to 1 sign up a day. Weekly signups, and then the monthly signups needed. And this is just the Funnel Builder customer signups that will get you to 6,000, just to be clear. If we take it up a notch and we say we have the ability to resell the Funnel Builder and the HBA Premium at $120 commissions every month, you'll see that the total customers you need that have both products are 50, and you'll see your daily customers that you need to sign up. I would say, just for this case to be simple, you would go for 1 sign up every week, and then the monthly signups would be about 4, and that there will get you the 6,000 per month. We have a Funnel Builder and Let's Go app products that are together. Total customers, you would need 215 total customers that own the Funnel Builder and the Let's Go app. And we'll say you need about 1 daily sign up. And then it's easier to go with the weekly signups. Once again, you will probably go for 4 weekly signups and then 18 monthly signups. For the Funnel Builder Premium and Let's Go, if you help your members get subscribed to all 3 of those products, you need 47 customers, 0.13 customers a day, and about 1 customer a week. And your monthly customers will just round that up to 4. And at $128 commission, you will be at the $6,000 per month. Now, I'm going to be real with you. I do not particularly like to break down compensations like this all the time, because in the real world, not every customer is going to be a Funnel Builder Premium and Let's Go customer. But you can get an idea. So you can mix and match customers if you want. Maybe you have 20 Funnel Builder customers and you have 20 different Let's Go customers. Those numbers are still easy to add up. And honestly, it is a lucrative program. You can be very profitable inside of this company with these products. And one aha moment I got the other day was, if you look at these different products, the Let's Go, the Funnel Builder, and the Premium, these monthly products, they all serve different purposes, and that's pretty good. And they're because they're very close niche, or they're products that customers really want to keep. Not necessarily customers, but entrepreneurs, business owners, people who want to elevate their game online, people who want to run other businesses, people who want to increase their success online and in life in general with the Let's Go app, and affiliates who want to earn more. So if they have a few customers on, they're going to want to keep the products for those customers. What I've been finding is that it is almost pretty hard to lose a whole bunch of customers for all the products. They'll typically stay on 1, 2, or 3 products. And if they had 3 and dropped some, they were typically on one of these products here. But ultimately, I'm finding that most people don't just drop all of the products, which is a good thing because you have some type of income for work that you've done in the past, and that's pretty cool to me. And you always want to focus on planting seeds with new people. Never depend on income from a set of people, because you just never know their circumstances, what they're going through, how long they're going to be there. We don't know their number unless they said, hey, I'm only going to try this for a month. Maybe you know their number then, but you want to constantly produce and get new people to your offer. And that's one of the reasons why I like that this is a 1-tier path, because what if I recruited 1 person this month for $100 commission and half of my commission went up above, and that 1 person never did anything in the business? Well, I just gave away $50 because I'm not getting anything from that customer, and I can choose to perform and get more income if I wanted to. And a lot of people try to look at the other way being the leverage as far as earning off of other people, but I just think that you can't control what other people do in their business. And to me, I like the 1-tier, and I'm glad that they're sticking with that. If you want to learn how to be successful in HBA and the exact training that took me from not getting hardly any sales on the internet to making consistent sales on platforms like YouTube and Facebook, definitely click on that link so you can start getting guided through the process that I went through. And I'll also be able to give you some of my bonuses that'll help you along the way.